Hi, this is Jeff with another frequently asked question, and that question comes from people who wear readers only. They don't wear any prescription eyewear, they're just wearing off-the-shelf readers. And the question is, do I have to install my reader in my CraftOptics? Why won't the magnifiers just take the place of the reader? And the answer is no. They work together. So if you have a reading correction, we install that in the frame. The magnifiers drop down in front of it, making it that much better. Now there are two options when you just wear readers. One is to install that reader as a bifocal, and the reason you want to do that, and that's probably the most common way we do that, and it looks like this. See how that reader is in the bottom there? The magnifiers then drop down in front of that, so when you're wearing them, you can still see over the top. It's clear up here, and you can see the TV, you can look around the room and so forth. When you flip the magnifiers up, you can see through the reader as you normally would. You want to wear these all the way up. You don't slide these down your nose. They're all the way up like this. That's one option, and that's the bifocal option. And when you're checking out online, there's a drop-down menu. You just pick your reading correction, whatever that is, a +2, whatever it is. And in the drop-down, there will be the option for the reader bifocal, okay? The second option is to make that reading correction as a single vision lens. That means the reading correction is in the entire lens. And the reason you might want to do that, and a lot of jewelers, for example, do that because they're working on a bench and they have all their tools very close by. All they want to do is see their tools. It's, if I have, my tools right here, I can glance above the magnifiers, if you see that, pick up my tool, see very clearly what I'm doing here, and then go back to my work. That is called single vision. And you can flip up the lens, you still see through that near correction. So this is near all the way around. If I'm looking off in the distance like this, I can't see the TV, I can see just near, okay? That option is called single vision, and there's a drop-down menu as well. When you're checking out, just drop down that menu and pick single vision, whatever power you have. Hopefully that answered your question. If you have any others, give us a call at 888-444-7728. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.